All right, so here is our WordPress dashboard, and here is our front end, where anytime anybody clicks our website, the owner of the website, you must actually do what? Put what? Dashboard admin, so that you can have access to what? The whole thing. That's important. Okay, you should do that. Let me set this straight. What happened? Is it too different and I'm touching? All right, so let me not temper with it now. All right, so we have our back end. Our back end is here. Anything we want to do in this very place is what will actually what appear in this very place. So when we talked about these guys, with these guys for 1 year. Now that we have our WordPress website, we don't have any business with this. What will happen is we needed to actually have a website up and running. We've done all the whole purpose why we need a website, and we decide to say let's have a business website. We look for the team that we need as a hosting company. We look for the plan that we want, which is the starter plan. We actually get it. We also search for the domain name that we want. We got it. We went to make payment and we went straight to where our client area, where we from there go to our cPanel. Now we've gone into from our hosting to our cPanel. Now we start from the cPanel, and now we are in our WordPress dashboard, where I said for a whole 1 year, this place, your website.com /wp-admin is what you're going to be doing, seeing for 1 year. Told you already, anything that will make you go to the hosting is if you want to go and renew for next year. Anything that will make you go to your cPanel is if the plan that you bought can allow you to create extra website. That's why you go there to do what? Add-on domain, then do what? Get your WordPress installed, and you have another website running. Or you want to go and get customized email. That's the reason why you're good. Otherwise, for a whole 1 year, you don't have any business with the cPanel, you don't have any business with your hosting. You trying to say, I want to log into my hosting. Somebody was asking me, so I'm trying to log into my hosting, my cPanel. I said, what do you want to go do there? Say you just want to go and you won't go there and actually create a post. I was like, really? So I said, it's like, when did you go to my training? He said 2017. I said, no wonder. So it's been a while. So I said, take advantage of the refresher training so that you can actually go on back. So far so good. If we want to post, we want to create our website now, we want to do anything on our website is from here. Not from hosting, not from cPanel. I'm thinking this so that I know, say, when I go here, I want to post and I go to my cPanel. Nothing is taking you to your cPanel apart from what I mentioned. Are we clear with that? All right, so now we want to create our website. So what we do is to go to where? Back to our dashboard, and we'll do what we call clean up your WordPress dashboard. What we are trying to do basically is to take away every junk. If you check the site now, look at how it's looking. It's not looking fine. So we need to make sure that we install a nice team, make sure we actually do everything, a business team that will help us do what we're doing. So for us to do that, we need to go to setting under your dashboard. Look at it under the dashboard. That is the last thing there called setting. Now, once you put your console under the setting, it will give you another sections where you can actually just go in and you see general, writing, reading, discussion, media, permalink, and privacy. What we want to click is what? Permalink. How did we get it? If you go to console setting, just don't click. You will just go to console, and from console you will see what? All these ones. What we want to click is what? Then you click on permalink. Permalink. Now, sometimes you see it on numeric, sometimes you see it on monthly, sometimes you see it on plain, sometimes you even see it on custom. But what we want to do here is to show what? Post name, like this. We select post name. Why? Let me show you why. Anytime you post anything, if I'm choosing any of the plain, for example, I'm choosing plain, if I'm choose plain, every time I post any article, it will now be the name of the website.com /?p = 123 before any other thing, which is only not even show. So if somebody actually, maybe you make a post of how to make money online, this is what it will show. If I decide not to choose the plane and say, okay, let me choose the day and name, look at what will happen. It will show the name of your website.com slash 2002 slash 07 slash actually 16th before how can you make money online, which is complicated. Same thing with this one. The same year, this will show you 2022 07 before how to make money online. Then this other one again, these are the options. I'm just showing you all that. Look at this, numeric. This is plain. This is day and name. This is month name. This is numeric. It will still show you the name of your website.com slash archive slash 123. But if you decide to go for what? Post name, it will show you what? The name of your website.com slash how to make money online. So which one will you prefer? Yeah? The post name, right? That's it. So that's why we always advise to select what? Post name. Then you now click what? Save. So which means now, anytime you post anything on your website, it's going to be the name of your website.com slash the title of that very post that you posted. Okay? The next thing we want to do is to go to plugins and click on plugins. Now, plugins, actually, you can see we have two things here. We have Hello Dolly, we have Ask Me, and we don't need them. So we just go to this section up here, like this, and click all the plugins. If I click all here, it will check this and do what? Check this. Then I can do what? Bulk, and I can do what? Delete. If I delete it, will ask me, are you sure you want to delete it? I'll say, yes, I want it to delete it. It will now show apply. Can I click apply? Say yes. And if I like, I can do what? Delete one, delete two. Then I can go to comments. I've already deleted it, so I can't bring it back. All I did was the same thing like this. Let me show you what I did. It's just like having two things like these, two items here, and I want to delete all. I click this title here. It will check all of them. Then I'll go to this bulk action, and I click move to trash. For it to work or for it to delete, I need to click what? Apply. Then it will not delete it. That's what I did here at the plugin. And the comment section, the same time, you can click on what? Trash. It will delete. And lastly, on the post section, I can also do what? Click on what? Delete. Trash. It will all delete. And when you do all this here, there are also two places here under appearances. They are theme under appearance. Theme. So you click on the theme under appearance. See it here? Appearance. Click theme. The appearance is in charge of all the themes that you have. You can see the way the theme is looking. This is what is actually active. And if you go to the front end right now and check, if we refresh, you find out that everything that was on this side before, all of them will all delete or have deleted. So you can't see anything remaining. So all, see, we don't have anything again. Check, nothing, nothing. So it's actually ready for you now to actually do what? Remove all these themes that are here and install either the one that you bought, downloaded, waiting for you inside your computer, or you want to use the free ones that are here. That is your choice. Right now, we need to make sure that on your website, you must always have one theme at a time. It's not always wise for you to have three. If you have three themes at a time, it's eating up space, it's dormant sitting there doing nothing, and it's just eating up space. So it's always good for you to click on theme details. It will give you access to do what? Delete the theme. So you click on delete. Okay? Then you also go to the next one, click on the theme detail, and do what? Delete the theme. You now remain with what? One theme. Now, once you have this one theme here, what you need to do is to go up here that says add new. Look at it here. Add new. You click on add new. Anytime you want to design any website, Astra theme is very okay for you to use. Astra. This is it here. Astra and what? Ocean what? WP. You can use any of this to create any kind of website. Any of these two. can use it to create any website you want, any of these two. So I'm always making sure I can actually create website with Astra. It's very okay. So now this is Astra. So let's click install. We've chosen this Astra theme. We click install. Let's see if it's going to actually do anything. Now we've installed it. The next thing is to do what? Activate. Now we've activated it. Once you click install and activate, automatically you'll see this thank you for installing what? Astra. Get what? Started. So you click on get started. Once you do that, it will actually do what? Carry you completely from here and take you straight in to this very section called starter template. Okay? Here like this. Now on this section here, it's just showing you how you can get started. Maybe you want to do that, but just click on this part that says what? Build your what? Website now. Now it has 3 particular plugins that is embedded inside this website. It is the one that you think you want to use. I will always say use what? Elementor. So you click on what? The middle one called Elementor, right? So once you do that, you now need to start looking for the particular theme that you want. If you want to go to the section here where you can actually search for the one you want, well, it will still come out. But me, I can actually do what? Scroll down to what I think I want. I can actually choose any one I want, or I can actually go up here and type business. If you type business, no, no, the theme that will install, you need to have it. It has templates. That template is what you choose to give you the interface that you want. You know, I actually show you this. And I said, this is the theme. This very one to give you this interface of how it will look is based on the template that this has. So what we are doing now is we are scrolling to look for a new template that we're going to use to give us the face of our website. So that's what we're doing now. Okay? So I can search for, I think, let me say digital. Okay, so I think I have so many of them here. Anything you want to do, you can actually choose anyone. I don't think I have any agency. You say? You can install a music theme now when you have access to it. I want to just show the class what they can do based on business, okay? So if you now, when I want to finish your website now, you can choose to do anything. Okay? So I'm looking for a particular theme that can work well with business, because you have a website that you want to start making money with it and do business, and you want to focus on music. So how do you want someone who wants to come and ask for other services to see you do music? Which doesn't make any sense. So what I think you should do, if you want to do music, is let it be by the side. You can now install maybe a podcast or a music platform where inside your website, you can have where you can actually be putting music and it will be by the side of your website. Are you getting me? But the face of the website is business, but the side is music. But if you make the whole thing music, nobody comes there if there's no music. So which means they can't come for any other thing except the music. But if you feel maybe that you want to just do strictly music, why not? You can actually upload the theme that you want to use for that, and it can give you access to all of that. There are a bunch of them here. I'm actually looking for there's a particular one that I've seen in this Astra that I don't think there's any other one, except if you want to do maybe e-commerce. I think I have one. I've seen this one here, like, when did I see that? I think they've removed it. That one was just so simple, straightforward. Let me see. So let me scroll one more time. If I didn't see it, I can just choose to use anyone. Mind you, if you're seeing, I think you're seeing some of them. They are showing premium. On some of them they are showing premium is you cannot use them. That one is for premium services. Anything you want to do, online school, as you're seeing, if you're looking scrolling down, you'll be seeing all the things you can do with them. You can be seeing online courses, event management agencies, You can see all the things you want to do: copyright, freelancing, hotel, pharmaceutical, all that, lawyer, blah blah blah, bookstore. You are seeing everything that you can use them to do. So it's up to you. If you, as long as that one that you use is not showing premium on the body, then which means you can use it for free. So let's say there's one. If I didn't see it again, then we just go dental clinic, pet service. Let me see. It's like it's not here anymore. I like that one. That one was just very simple. It's not here. So that should be digital agency. Abi agency. So it's not here. So let me just use this one. There's one I've seen again now. This last one here. So I'll just use this. Eh? Digital agency. Yeah, I think that's it. Digital. 20 minutes or 30 minutes. Because once I didn't see that. I wish I saw that one. So because I didn't see that, so let's use the ones that are here. So we have just 30 minutes to go. And under 30 minutes, as long as there's no question, why not? We're done. Daddy, just allow me finish. I can't be handling, I can't be attending to them identity now. You are still backward. You are still at, what do you call it? You're still at client area. There's no way I can actually, how can I do that? If I do that, I will have to keep everybody here now till I finish with you and come back. So let me just finish with them. I can now stay with you and get that done. Okay. So we have, I think there's this one I want to use. Where is it? See it here. Don't want this one. I think this one. So I want to choose this guy. So I have selected this guy. You have choice. You can make your choice. I am selecting this guy because it's very simple. Okay, so everything here is very okay from start to finish. Very simple for me, straightforward. So all I need to do is to come down, straight down. Don't worry about start putting logo. You want to do all these things. No, you can do that all later. Okay, just come down and say skip and continue. Then just keep doing that to the end. Continue. Don't touch anything till you get here. Name. You can put what's that guy name? ENJAYW. Abi? Email. I not get the email again. Oh. I think maybe I don't think it's not working. I can get it. Let me go back here. Get it under the setting. Look at it here. So I'll go back again. Email. I am a what? Beginner or intermediate expert, anyone you want to put there. I want to build a website for myself or for my client. I want to build for myself, my company. Intermediate, you can choose what? Beginner, you can choose expert, anyone you choose. There's nothing wrong with that. It doesn't affect your website, it doesn't do anything. It's just them. They are expecting the information, not you. So I agree to the terms and conditions. This one, if I don't want to be receiving newsletter from them, I don't think I need it. For me, I don't need it. Otherwise, they'll start bombarding you with email. So I said I don't want that. I'll just go straight down and say what? Submit and what? Build your website. So now on their own, they will start building the site for us. So once they start building the site for us, remember, look at how the website is looking. The website is looking like this. So by the time they're done, this is how the website is looking now. Once it's done, you find out that the website that's looking like this now will change completely to how that one is looking. Now 90%, it's just remaining 1%, 100%, and voila. Congratulations, your website is ready. So what you need to do is to do what? Go back to your dashboard. Then you go where? To your website and do what? Refresh. This is our website, right? Look at it. You see? Straight and forward now, there's no big deal. All these ones now, because today they talk long story since morning, they that, 9 today. Your website, you don't think you even spend 1 hour. I swear to God, you can't even spend 30 minutes. Yes, Astra actually gives their team for free. I think they've been around since 2000 and when. So they have made money already. So they released the team. They don't sell it. So it's free, but it's premium. But what they do is some of the teams, you see they like premium. So anyone that you want from them, don't touch the one that is premium. If you touch the premium one, they will ask you to pay. But any other one there that you put is perfectly very okay for. See, now, did you see any advert? It's premium. It's there. It's your perfect website. You don't have anything. Here, somebody who is coming to your website can come and make inquiry, put their name, put their email, put their phone number, and choose services that you want. So all these things is what we set up from the back end. You want to, based on the services that you want from the back end, you go and actually to remove all these ones if you're not doing all these services and add your services here. So when somebody is trying to get inquiry about one thing, entrance door, you select the entrance door, come and tell you about what you want, then you click what? Submit. Now there, because of there's no email, there's no this, so all that is done. Yes. Is of course you can't use this. You can't use this. All this is here. You can everything that you see here, you cannot use it. You are changing everything here. All this is here. I'm just giving you a walkthrough on what you need to expect. Everything here, you change it. So when you do this, everything is set here. Is set here. You don't have any problem here. So let me take it out. So this is your back end. Remember, this is your back end. So this is your back end, and everything here is whatever thing you do here happen here. So if you want to actually start editing all this content, the moment you find yourself here, you make sure that already, that's why I say you have to collect what? All the content. Your job is not this. You only make it harder when you begin to try one, begin to provide content. That's not your job. So within God and man, if you doubt when you want to try, check your time, put a timer. You will not spend 30 minutes. Once you've already done the whole process of this one, where you don't already do, where you do again. Okay, it's like we've deleted it already. It's like we've deleted it. So if I remember, purpose, why you need to create the website, the type of website you want to create, we end up the same business, you choose the team. You've already choose the team is there. Now, the next thing is the hosting, the domain name. All those times you are saying, okay, madam or Oga, let me have the name, you're searching for domain name, you're telling them, prepare the content, I need the logo, I need the content, the information that I need to give you. All those things are not your business. They go don't send them to your mail, they go don't do all those into your mail. The moment you find yourself here, you can't even do anything until you get that content. Because when you go here now, won't begin touch anything. What you want to touch, what you want to add. Now, based on the information, the write-ups, everything with the person give you as what you want to make for the website, that is where you can now go, okay, you creatively can think, okay, let's put this here. So let's assume they've given you the content. You come here to this rich section up here, you see edit with what? Elementor. So I always want to just right click and open it on that window because I want to have a window that I will be monitoring what is happening there. Now, clicking edit with Elementor, it will take you straight to where? A front-end editor. That is one good thing about Elementor. You can be seeing everything live like this while you're editing it. So look at it here, front-end editor. So here, once you come into this section, this plus sign here, you don't need it. What you need is this 6 very dots that is here. When you click on this 6 very dots that is here, it will give you access to be able to change the background that is there. I think we saw one background there, the light and everything, right? So if you want to change it, come to these very sections here where you saw these 3 dots here and click it, edit content. Eventually, maybe sometimes you want to click it, it's like it's running. It's running. You come around here and click by the side anywhere here. You can see what? Edit section, and it will also show you this. So the idea here is anything right now, as long as you click edit with Elementor, from up here till the ending, you are in charge of touching any part, and it will appear by the side like this. Any part right now you want to edit, any part you touch, it appears here. This part that we are clicking here is working on what is happening here when it comes to the picture and the background. So if I choose to want to change this picture on the background now, I have clicked these 6 dots. I can see everything about anything here, and any adjustment I make here affects everything on this section, just like what I have here. So anything here or this place now, that's where we are. So anything I touch here, anyhow I want to update it, I want to do that. So right now, on this section, I can choose to remove the picture of the background if I don't want it. All I need to do is to go to where? Style. Style. See style here. See style. Are you seeing it? If you click on it, look at the image. I said these 6 dots here is where you get control of all these things here. If I click on the 6 dots, it gives me access to everything here. When I click on style, I can see the image that is here as a background. If I feel like removing it, all I need to do is to do what? Click on the image. It will take me to my what? Library, and I select the image from my computer that I want to use to replace it there. That's why I said you cannot do anything if a client did not give you what? The content. Because right now, which image will you go and put? You don't know. It's when they give you the content, you're going through the content, you discover that, okay, this content will require this kind of image. You can now go and look for the kind of image that will fit in there based on what the client is doing. I don't know if you're getting me. You cannot do anything on your own. You don't have right to start putting anything you want to put on the client's website. It's the content that the client gives you that will now make you feel, I think we'll need this picture, I think we'll need this one. And mostly, some of them might not want to give you pictures because they say they don't have. So you say, okay, fine. When you go through what they're doing, okay, they're selling this, they're selling that. Okay, they need this. As a social company, what can we put at the first one? You can now start putting your creativity to say, okay, let's look for this kind of image. And of course, you can go and get the image and come and put there. So if you feel you want to do so, you can go and look for any image that you've seen that you want, then you can go. Let me say, for example, I choose to put one image. So let me say, which image will I put here now? Okay, so let's say I put this image. I go there, and I can now upload the image and put there. Okay, so I have this image. So I go in and I put the image. Now, you see that he has changed that image on the background. Okay, and this new image that is there. But because you actually know that there is write-up in the front, so any image you must put at the back, you must not make sure that image has write-up. Like if you see now, there is write-up, Abi. Yeah. Welcome to the which doesn't make any sense. That's why you see the image they put there was a plain image where you don't need anything to discuss whatever write-up you already have in here. Okay? Now, everything that I do to make this one to be like a shadow there is not my doing, it's the system. That's how they did it. Okay? Now, on this section here, if you actually want to edit anything, like I said, the first thing we did was to change that image that is on the back, right? Which I said, if you want to change it, how will you do that? You always come this way. Once you come here, you find it here. This up here, like this here, you click on this up here. It will show you these stuffs here. You can now click what? Style, and you'll see the image there. Then if you want to adjust it to anyhow you want to adjust it based on, maybe you want to begin to talk about center, default. See, anything you're doing is working. You can come and be changing how the position and how you want it to look. So once you come into the positioning, you can be selecting left. Anything you're selecting, anything you're doing there is, so if I want to make sure that my face shows, see, now that write-up that was there has gone. So you are in control to choose how you scroll, how you want to do anything. Once you put the image, you can come and select anything. You can even say you want it to repeat. You say yes, repeat. If you say repeat, it will actually do whatever how you want it to be. You can just be adjusting it the way you think you want it. See, anyhow you're adjusting it, auto. So it's all to you to make sure you set it the way you want to set it. And once you've done, it's good to go. Okay? So let's say we have set up this image on the background. That's the first thing we did. The next thing is all these write-ups here that are here. We want to edit them. So I click on the first one. You see it by the side. I said everything from start here now till we get down there, till we get to the end. All we need to do is to click on any part of that part and it will show by the left. And we need to do what? Go in there and do what? Check it out. Welcome to the ENYJ, I think it's J. Y, okay, no, it's supposed to be NJAYW. So welcome to the blah 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 platform. So let's say platform. All right. So once you do that, you can also the platform. It's incorrect. I saw it too. So I make it platform, Abby. All right, is it correct? No, it's not correct. Yes, it's correct. Okay, so welcome to this. So I can still do what? I can still go down again and say I want to adjust it to come to the center. Are you getting me? I can change it to come to the center. Everything from up here, I just wanted to, if you can understand how it works, you don't have any problem. That's why I'm still standing here. I don't want to go further before you tell me say you're lost. The moment you actually do what, come to your site. Let me take it off. This is your website. Your website is ready. This is your website. It's ready already, Abby. After we just finish installing it, Abby, you want to now start doing what? Editing. You don't need to worry yourself about going there, rush if you don't have content. But you just won't go waste your time there. Make sure you have the content that you need. Once you have it, you can come and click what? Edit with what? Elementor. Once you click edit with Elementor, it's now open for you to start editing. And the editing is from start to the end. Go to the next page. Go to the next page. You can start editing. It's the same thing you do. Because when you come into this very place here, let me open it again so that we can actually have access to how it works. Every part from about us, our services, portfolio, frequent asked question, contact us, appointments, which is the same thing with what we have here. All of this, and if at all we want to add shop, we want to do anything, all of these are editable. If I go to about us, I will still see edit with Elementor. The same thing that I'm actually trying to do right now here is the same thing. All I need to do is to click what? Edit with Elementor. It will still open for me to start editing. All I need to do when I'm done, I go to edit with, I'll go to this other one, open it. It will still open for me. I can actually do what? Open it and start. See, I'm opening About Us. About Us is already open. And this home is open. So I said, when you come here like this for the first time, if you want to change the image on the background, which is the one at the back there, you can actually click on the 6 dots here. Abby? When you click on the 6 dots, it will show you by the side left here, and you can go to where? Style. You see the image there. You can now click in the image and go and do what? Upload another one, because all these images that is here are all the images that are default that came, which are not your images. They are all the ones that came with the team, and you cannot use them. So you must go and upload. That's why I say the client is to give you content. Part of the content they will give you is image. If the person is selling something, he will send you all those things that they are selling, everything they want to send it to you. If you now choose to do Oversabi, one can say, don't worry, I will get the things for you. Now you will begin to research. So you have to now begin to define which image you want to put here, which write-up you want to put there. All that one you will begin to do by yourself. But once you tell the client, it's their responsibility. They are the one that they want to design website. They should know all the information that they want to put on the site. Even though some 60% of them don't even know. They will say, bros, you know, say me and they do this business, but let me find what you go put it there. All you need to do, if you feel you want to do it, because it's your responsibility for the first time, once you want to design a site, to populate all the information and to put everything there, even though it's them that are supposed to give you that information. So you can go and get any image from your computer to actually come and do what? Replace the one that you already what? Have here. And I say this, you just stop there. You can go ahead and do what? Setting. You can set it the way you want. I can decide to put it on default. You can actually, my image is going to be here at the center. I can even go ahead even to say I don't want image. I want it to be blank. I can go there and say gradients. I say I choose this color, or I choose this color. I'll say this color that I want. I can choose to do that and leave it there. It will not be so it's empty, so it's blank. All of this, you are in control to do all of that. Okay? If you want image, you leave it. If you want gradients, you want. If you even want to put video for that same place so that video will play, why not? You can do that. See it here, video. You can now do what? Go to your YouTube channel and copy any video you want to copy. Anyone? Let's copy these guys. These guys are badass. Let me copy them. So I copy them. I go to the video section and I paste it there. Sir? Yeah, he can bring his music and video. Has he done a music video before? So anytime anybody comes to your website, the person can actually be watching video there. So the person will really get time so to watch your video. Okay, so we are. No, now it's link. It's not that link we paste. The load is there. So you see, it's there. Yes. Yes, as they are watching it, they can get viewers. It's also seen as one view. If him himself go enter, it will see as one view. Another person will see him. So the view will be counting in this platform. Is when they are watching it. Yes. Yes. All right, so we've seen that. As I said, after now we've just everything we did there was what on putting video. We can go back and say we want just a background. We don't want the video. We want what image. We don't want the video. All of them are there. Anyone you want is your choice. Now that is the background. Then the write-ups that are there from start to finish. Anyone you want to work on is to click on it. It will show you by the left. You want to click on this, work on this, click on it. It will show you by your left. You want to work on this, you click on it, it will show you by your left. And the same thing with this one is actually what is already set up because it's actually what it has a form, which is look at the code, which is what the form that we use is form that you actually use is already there at the back end. You can choose not to use this and you can choose to edit it, but from the back end, not from the front end. Okay, it's already at the back end. If you go to your back end, you can see your form. Where is it here? WP form. When you click on it, you will see the very particular form that we are seeing now, which is actually what this one. See it here? That's what we have to see there. So if I want to actually adjust it, all I need to do is to click what? Edit. And I edit it, then it will now take me to every place where all those information is being populated. You can see them here. Let's come down. So services, if you click on them, see them. Entrance door, this thing, this one, that one. You can now start doing what? Editing them to, let's say, website design. Developments. We can choose this one to be affiliate marketing. You can choose it to be YouTube channel or YouTube monetization. You can do digital marketing. The sales, the ones more of like getting clients, getting those. So we have how many here? Let me see. Is it all? Installation. So we have social media marketing. Then we can do ICT consultancy. All right, so all I need to do is to click save. Now when I click save, if I go to the website right now directly and check it and see what will happen. So come down. What do you see here? So if somebody want to contact you or want to make inquiry based on any of these ones, you click on one, tell you his name, Ados, then Ados Michael at gmail.com. Then phone number 09050383911. Then, sir, please, can you handle 4,000 watch hours for me? And how long will it take effect? And how much? All right, so send. Now, boom, it's a send. You need to also do what? Get the whole stuff from your backend. Go to backend, you should be able to get that somebody has actually do what? Send entry. So you go to the entry, you see that, okay, the entry will not, okay, it's free. They don't want to show us this free, but I'm sure, check your email, see if you have received anything, because, and so that one is free. So what we're doing is, while that is going on, we actually do what? Can change anything here. So if you check this section, we say we want to change this, we can actually put up what? Any write-up we want to put up there. We say we want to do something like, welcome to our platform. You can actually choose to what? Put it in what? Center. You can actually go to the next one here, and you can talk about anything. So that, see the problem that we're in now. I don't have what to type. I don't know what to write until I see what that content of the client, and until I see what they are doing before I can actually write. Otherwise, I can just start saying, maybe based on they've told me that they are into consultancy. Okay, so let's say they've told us I'm into consultancy. Because you have to be careful. Because if you go write so many things and when you don't see them, the person will say, no, that's not what I want. You can't look so stupid. So why not allow him be the one to send you this? Because if you can't go suffer yourself, begin write, begin the type, begin the put. After you don't put finish, maybe 3 days or 4 days, when you can say, okay, so can you take a look of what I've done so far? Let's see if it's in line with what you want. And I go say, no, all those things, no. Okay, don't worry, I will not send you what I wanted to write. 2 times work. So, but still, if you decide to talk to the person extensively and you've gotten what they are doing, because it's possible, there's no way you want to do something differently. It's possible that what you want to do, somebody else is doing it. So if you are giving you those insight of what they do and you go and check some other place and you saw exactly what they're doing, you cannot copy those information there. Instead of carry those information and come and put them bagger here, you need to do what? Go to this very platform called Qbot. Okay? This platform called Qbot is what you need. Is it .com? Now, what does this platform do? It allows you to collect write-ups from any other platform and it paraphrase that write-up. Let's say Ados Michael has a big company. If I type it here, see what you will say. Ados Michael has a big tech company in Abuja. What it does is this, paraphrase. I click on it, see what it does. In Abuja, Ados Michael owns a sizable tech company. Do you see what they've done? So let's say I copy this. Ados Michael has a Big Ten company from somebody's website, and I just come here. Instead of me copying it exactly and go and paste, I'll come and put it in this very place, which is a free platform. Look at it, qbots.com. You just go into search it on your put it on your browser. Then you copy those write up and paste it here, and it will now click paraphrase. It will paraphrase everything, change the whole language. Now, how do I mean? Let's go here and say, look for business. Let's say business ideas. So let me copy all these things here now. So I come back to this place. See what I'm doing on these synonyms here. I'm trying to adjust it to the end. So, but see, it's gotten to this part, so I think it's good. So now let me type this. Let me put this here. So improve your commute and travel with endless entertainments and knowledge. Take your ebook and audiobooks with you, even offline with scripts. Social distancing. Feel blah 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 blah. Feel good, functional. I've had all this language. I don't want that. Comment. Go away. Gang. Audiobooks with you, even offline. You can be together. All right. Bam. Now I click what? Paraphrase. So let's see what it's going to give us. With infinite entertainment and education, you can make your commute and vocation better. Bring your ebook and audiobooks along as you can stay connected even when you are not. Is the English even do look together? But it's not your content. So this is what you do if you choose to want to start putting content, which means if somebody says they want to pay you for content development, that's what you do. Just go to where that content they copy them, paste them here. And the good thing about it, before you press anything, see how it works. I can decide to go inside each of them and click width. I'll click on it will give me through without using by having. I will have options to change the width. So it doesn't mean that he gave me anything and I'm okay with what he gave me. Are you getting me? I can choose to want to change what they gave me, and all of them happens if I go for infinite. I click infinite, I can see endless, limitless, unlimited, and so blah blah. So which means on every of the words, I can start going to change it. So I can rebrand the write-ups, everything the way I want. Once I'm done, I'll come down and do what? Copy. Look at it here. Instead I come here and copy it here, or I do like this what? I'll do what? Copy. Then I'll do what? Go and paste. So there's no way that you see the write-up that is, maybe I am doing tech company, he's into tech company, and he doesn't have content, came to my place, pack my content, instead of going exactly what I wrote and go and paste it in his own, he can now go here, paste it here, change the English, do everything, copy it, and now go to where you want to go and change it. If you charge, they don't agree. If a client pay you 100,000, 200,000, 300,000, then when you reach time, you go say, Oga, content. You say, I don't have content. It's okay, Oga, give me extra money for content. You go say, Oga, don't be design a website. They go hardly, some go say, okay, like how much? When you go, half an hour, you will not price. Some of them are like, they will give you. Some of them go tell you, say, Oga, I beg, now you don't be design a website. Designer, Oga, how can I design a website without content? You will not start having hit discussion with them and it start turning to something. So it's always good. That's what I mean. Before we talk money, I will tell you, I hope you know you're going to provide me all the content. Or do you already have information that will populate on the website? Yes, we have information. Fine. We don't have. Okay, please start working on it while I start designing the site. So once I am done designing the site, doing everything, I don't go even let them be accessible like this. I can even just go and put one particular plugin called coming soon or under construction. Leave them for that. So if they click the website, it will show them coming soon, under construction. Any day they give me content, I go to the back end, populate the content. Once the site is ready, I commode the coming soon or under construction. Voila, the website is ready. That's just it. You have to be professional. Otherwise, you can't do this like this now. You can't actually leave this website like this. Okay, you leave this website and say, okay, give me contact now. I'm still waiting for your contact. The guy will not visit his website and now start seeing the door more than enough choice. The right windows. Oga, I did not tell you that I want to do. You don't really mess with me. So the first thing you want to do, if the client is not giving you content, you go to plugins, add new plugins, click on it, then make sure you go to this section here. You can search coming soon. When you search coming soon, there are a bunch of them that are going to be there available for you. See them plenty. You can see other construction coming soon, maintenance, blah blah blah, as many that you want. And let me can see, I like this one under construction. So I click install. Then once I click install, and I'll click what? Activate. Pichicam. Then once I do that, it will take me straight to that section. I will now do what? Check to setting under the set. I just want to set the it. Okay. So you set it. Now on this section, what you need to do is under construction, you can actually choose to, let's say, activate, put anything on the put. So here we have under construction mode. You have to do what? Enable it. If you don't enable it, if you just install it, activate it, you think it's working. No, it's not working. Until you do what? Even up here, you see that Siam is even off. Even without coming down to all these places that come down, see up here already. It's there. You can click what? On. So you on the water, when you click on, it will now bring you here on its own. Then you can now if it's on, then you quick go down and do what? Save. Now, as it is now, I can choose to go and look for this very particular stuff now under private window. I will check it. This is what you get. That's what is on the website right now. So you can have an access to it. If you like, you can add, sorry, we are doing some works on the site. So thank you for your patience. We are doing some work on the site. So if you think you want to maybe change all this English, why not? You can also do the same thing by going to the design. So this says here, you can now go to design. On the design, you can choose what you want to show. If you don't like that, if you like this one, you can actually do what? Activate this one. Bam, activate. Once you activate it, that is the one that is going to be there for you. You come down and do what? Save. Once you save it, go to the next, the stuff, go back here, it has changed. We can now check it out. It's changed to this one. At least this one is fine now, we're working. Look at the design, look at the way it did. Then you can do all those stuffs. Then if you think you want to change the write-up, yeah, on this section you can do what? Send out the write-up. All the write-up is actually here. Content, under content. You go to content, then you can start working on the content. See them. Sites under construction. You can change it to anything you want. Waiting again. Thank you for your patience. Sorry, we are see them all those stuff here. You can change all those anything there. Once you finish changing it, you come down to where save and save it. So now when you are working, the person is not seeing it. So anytime the person go to visit your the website, he's still going to be seeing. Oh God, the thing see they show. Yes, now the content now. If you bring content, we'll put up. So when you give you content, you still not remove it. You'll still be populating the content because you're still working on the content. So it's not seeing how, I don't want to say jagala or how, but you don't need to be seeing this. The client don't need to be seeing all these things like this, what you're doing, how you're working. You don't need to be seeing it. You just enclose everything till when you are done populating the website, put all the information, put everything you put. That is when you will now go again to the back end where it is and do what? Go to the main. Then you now go and do what? Take it off, scroll down and click save. So that's when if the person now go again to the site and refresh now, the person can now do what? Have access to the website. I see it. Because of course the person shouldn't be seeing you working on the site. You shouldn't be seeing what you're taking, what you didn't need to be seeing all these things. So the moment you actually install it, quickly go install that plugin and put it on maybe if you want, you can actually be under construction. If you want, you can actually be anything that you want it to be. But for now, this is what you leave it to. Then scroll down and do what? Save. Then go back and start what? Continue your working and start doing what you're doing. So, yes. Add new plugins, search for what? Coming soon. So choose anyone. There are a bunch of them, anyone you want there. You choose the one you want, then activate it. Then you start working. So this all here is your content. It's up to you to actually post anything, write anything. So if we have content, let's say, for example, I don't know, let's say we can go to any website and populate the content there. Let's say if that's what we want to do, I can actually choose to go to this very site here and copy the whole information. So I can say maybe I want to copy this one here. I say this one, let's say maybe that's the content the client is giving. Okay, if this is the content is given, I'll come, I'll do what? Put it here, up here. Okay, so don't worry, I can come down here on this section to adjust it. See this button there? HTML, the Y is so big, I can do what? Bring it down to 3. You can see that it has reduced. Okay, so all this whole thing, I want you to know that everything you are doing here, there's a control of how to color it, make it fine, reduce it, make it big. Anything you want to do, it's on the section. And all of them, even if you want to change style, you want to do anything, go to the style, you can see the color, you can change the color to any color, maybe to red. Anything you just want to do is there. Anything style on this section is to beautify, make it look differently. See it? And if I don't want it, I'll do what? Clear it. It will not come back to the way it is. And maybe I make it white. Okay? So that's what you do, white. So all these things are there, so I can start working on it. Every part that I click, I can actually go and get content. Let's assume this people are the one giving me content. I can go and pack content. Let's say I'm packing this content. So you take it and you go there and you put it there. So you're populating. That's how you start populating the website. As you're putting info, the population is populating the website is information. You start putting information and start going down. This part here that is get free, it's a button. Get free. I can choose to put it on the center so that it can be on the center. If I don't like the color, I can work on the color, which is this. I'll say, okay, I want the color to be text color. Yeah, text color, I want it to be white on the text color. So white. I go there and make it white. Okay, what does it have there? This text color is supposed to be white. And if you know codes of this, I can just put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's white. Okay, so white. Then all of this I can work on it. If I want, I'll go back there and say I don't want this. I want to write about us. I can say about us. So anything from start to end is for you to edit. Everything from start to finish. You want to come down to the section where you do it, and if you put about us, you must make sure you copy the link of what? About us. Okay, so look at the about us here. You right click it and copy it, link, and go again to this section here. Because what you're doing here and paste it here, link. What you're doing is, if somebody click the about us here, it will redirect them where? To the about us section, so that they can see what you're doing. You can choose not to put about us. You can choose to put anything you want to put there. You can even put to redirect people from here to anywhere. So all you're doing from start to finish is how you can start putting information here. Here, you can say, please call us. You can go there. I told you any part you want to edit, just click it. It will come to your left side. Then you edit. Call us. You can say what here. You can do what? Call for inquiry. Have you? You can do that. Inquiry. You can do that. Phone number. You can actually choose your phone number. Put your phone number. 50383911. All that you can do. You can put it in the middle. You can also go for the inquiry to put it what? In the middle. All these are the settings of how you want it to look like. It's still there. Every single section you click, you edit, you can adjust, you can, anything you want to do. I want to make color, I can go to style. You remember I told you style. If you go to style, you want to change the color, you can go there and change the color to anything. You feel like changing it. That's where, so you are in control of anything you're doing there. So you don't want the color, you take it off from where it is. And if possible, you can say, okay, fine. You want to actually put white. White, I can say, I think white is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, white. So that I can actually do. I'm going down, I'll go down to this section. This is the next part, about us. I'll click on it. What I want to change, what I want to write, all the next part is the same thing. All the next part is the same thing. I want to change the image. I click on the image. The image show me one side. I go there, change it to another image that I want. I get that image, I will bring it on board. If I want to use the one that is on the media, which is, of course, I don't want to, I can do that. I can put this there and I can take it there. I've adjusted it. The picture is there. I can actually go again. If I'm done with this section, I'm going to the next. I can actually click. Of course, if you want to take away this very picture that is at the background, is to go to the sys what section, go to where? Go to style, then you see what? The image. All these things are just what you need to do. And any part you don't want, you do what? Delete. Any part you don't want, you can actually delete it. Or you can do it to the end. That's how you get it. All to the end. And if you want to add anything with this thing that is here, you can also do what? Plus sign, add the particular box you want, click on the plus, you can drag anything you want to drag there, anything you want, even if it's video, you can drag it there and do what? Drop it there. And the whole video section will show for you to actually play anything you want to play. All of this is what you can actually do. And if you don't want it anymore, you click on what? Delete. It will go off. So once you're done editing, putting all the information, putting right up, putting everything you want to put, and all that from start to finish, you come to this site, you click on it, you see the image, you change it from this one to any image you want to change it to, then you change it. You want to change the right up, extra store, you can go there and change it to what? Digital marketing. Okay, put the write-ups, the same thing, all that. All is content. Once you're done, you come down to the last part that says what? Update, and update it. Once you update it, then the site will be updated. If you go to your home and refresh, you see everything will change. So you see, we have our platforms, this here. Let me take this off. So look at this. These are the information we just added. So welcome to our platform. We added this write-up. We added this other write-up. We put about us. Then of course this was done already from the back. Then we'll go back about us. We'll change this image. You start going. So all the things we're doing, we didn't touch anything here. We go straight to our services. We just change the image that is there and change that. Every other thing is here. All is what you do till you get to the ending. Any part you don't want, what do? You delete it. Okay, you get to the end. Then the same thing again you do when you go to the same thing again is when you're done with the front end, you go to the back. When you're done with the home page, you go to the about us. Also do what? Edit with what? Elementor, and start doing the same thing from start till you what? Finish. When you're done with that, you go to what? Our services, and you start doing all that from start till you finish. Question? All right. Those ones that at the end like this, are we? Now those ones are the ones that have it. They want to put it. Now what we'll do is we'll need to check at the back end to see if they actually have anything. So we'll go to appearance, we'll go to menu. Let's see if they have footer on footer sections. Okay, under their, I want to click manage section. What I'm trying to do, I'm trying to see if there's footer. So they have primary menu, secondary menu, Canva menu, login menu, and they have footer menu. Now, footer menu, there is nothing yet. So all I need to do is to click on edit. I will now do what? Click create new. So I click create new. I'll give it a name. Already the name is footer. Then I'll do what? Create. So when I create it, then I will now make sure that it's saved. So I click, let me go down. Here, save. Here, it's not saved. All right, so now I have it here. So if I feel like you want to put social media, right? Okay, so far so good. All those stuffs like that, you have to go and copy the link, you come and paste. So yeah, I will do, let's say I do Facebook page. Facebook page. So I'll go and copy the Facebook page. So I'll copy that. I'll go to the menu back. I'll now paste it here. Now, let me take this off. Let me take this off. Now, this one that I'm doing is customized because the team did not come with it. If the team come with it, we're supposed to show. So I'm just customizing it because client now go tell you, I need it. And you can't start telling them, the team that I actually installed, they don't have it. So we're trying to do it on our own, add it on our own. So it's okay, fine. This is our Facebook page. You go again. So let's say, for example, we've gotten WhatsApp. Okay. Say WhatsApp. Add it. We'll go again. We'll say we want to have Instagram. Okay. So add. So let's say we have more, as many we want to add. So we'll come down and we'll do what? Save. Okay. So if you go now to the sections and refresh, you have to see it there now at the footer. Where are you again? Okay, sir. We'll see you tomorrow then. So if you come early, then I can actually run that for you. Or I will send the video in the group so you can follow it up. Because I cannot be doing the two things. I can't be attending to you and attend to the whole class. Okay? Okay, it's okay then. So I will send the video in the group, and also if you come early tomorrow, I will be here by 8:39. So if anybody comes here, I can attend to you one-on-one before anybody start coming. All right. Okay, so we will go down. So let's say, let me quickly go. Sorry, I noticed one thing that I did not do. On these sections, we have, if you go to the menu, we'll go to manage section. I did not actually do what? Give it, okay, automatically it's there. So what happened? So it's here. So I actually have menu on this. So why is it not showing? Let me see again. It's not showing. Normally it's supposed to show on the footer. This is the footer. Let me go to the home as well. It's supposed to show on the footer. So I don't know if they have, okay, so let me see if they have customized appearance, customized. Okay, let me see. If there is anything that's kind of adjustable. Let me see. Customize. Okay, so widget, where are you? Widget footer builder. Okay. All right, so luckily, so we have footer. So why is it not copyright? Okay, there's copyright, Abby. Yes, there's copyright. There is powered by Abby. So look at it here, copyright and powered. Okay, so now, whose side will I put those ones now? Where will I put them? Should I put them at the middle, Abby? Okay, so now on the middle, which is going to be, here should be, which one will be middle? Okay, let me see, click here. Okay, so on the middle, I don't know which one the middle among these two here, but I think in between the copyright and in between that last one is middle, Abby. So I now say, okay, I click on it, then it's showing me footer menu. I say, yes, footer menu. Okay, luckily, there's social media. See? Social media. So I click on it, social. So let me see if I can drag it to the middle here. Drag now to the middle. Okay, drag to the other side. Okay, so now, luckily, if you click social, there is, so fine, we have it here. So the customize, what I did is to actually buy, in case this one not there, that was what I did. But now we have it. So you go to click on it, then you do what? The URL. So I put URL for Facebook, go again, Twitter. I put URL for what? Twitter. I go again for Instagram. I put what? URL. Then if I want add, you can see add social media. I say, okay, let me add one. Now I'll now give it the name. Maybe I'll say WhatsApp. No, let's say WhatsApp. Or is it Telegram? WhatsApp. Then I'll do what? Add the link. Then I will now do what? Publish. So now it's there. If I go check now, I should be able to see it somewhere around that side. Look at it there. Social media, right? Look at it. So I can do. So that's. I think maybe I should bring it. It's the same line with this one, Abby. It's the same line. I think it's okay for me. Then if I click on it, boom, it will redirect you to where? To the page that I have. If you click on it, it will also, this next one, it will do the same thing. So it's available for you at the back end. Okay. All right. So I don't know if you have any other questions, let me know. But I know definitely from start to finish, all we need to do is to populate content from our website, from the homepage, about us, contact everywhere. You just click and edit with Elementor, and it gives you access to all this that are here. Any other thing you want to add apart from trying to do all the settings from both sides, all of them, it's from the back end, which of course, once you come to the back end, anything you want to do from the back end is just probably you just want to, post. If you want to post any new articles, you go to posts and go to add new posts. You click on it. It will give you access to where you do what? Post the title of the particular content, just testing. Then you put up your content, put up image. If you want to put image, you can also even add what? Image if you want to. You can actually put a plus sign, go to image, get any image from the library or from anywhere you want to get it from. You can do all that, then bring it in, then you select, then it will come down. So you have your write-ups and also with your posts. You can, start again, start going. This is paragraph. You start again, start posting, start writing, all that. Then once you're done doing all that, you can choose to what? Put up your category if you want to. If you don't have any category yet, you can click add new category. So you can now maybe give it lifestyle. Okay, give it lifestyle, add category. Then this particular course automatically, this one is category. Then you go down, if you want to put tags, you want to put image. The feature image allow when you want to see, allow you when you want to watch the post, you see like this. You see the image and the write-up. The image, the title of the image and the write-up. This image here that you see on the post is called feature image. All that, you can also decide to put summary. That kind of summary is what you see here. This kind of summary here. You can also add it there on these sections and put anything you want to put there and all that. Once you're done with that, you quickly go up and do what? Publish. And once you publish it, boom, it's out there. So let me see. I didn't put any title up here. Okay, I'll put a title. So just testing. I'll click on it. It's publish. Yes, publish. So when I go to my post, which is the blog, do we have a blog? I don't have a blog here. So how can I have a blog on my posts? I need to go back to the, back end, go to page. Some of them, most of them come with their blog section, which is this. But here we're not seeing anything like blog. And I don't know if there's blog in, let's say there's no blog at all here. So all you need to do is to click on what? Add new. That's all. No need to long thing. Just type blog. You don't have anything. Just this. Blog, publish. That's all. Blog, publish. Write blog, publish. That's all. Once that is done, you don't have anything to do. Just go back. And how can it be activated for it to be working? You just scroll down to what? Straight down. Setting. Under your setting, go to reading. Click reading. Now, homepage, which is actually the one that is taking care of the home. Everything people are seeing from the website is actually on the home. That's what people are seeing. Everything. All here. That is what is here. Called what? Home. If I want to talk about post page, the place where be the blog, will be the post page. I now need to select. And now to do what? Select the what? Blog. And come down and click what? Save what? Change. Now, once I do that, stop there. I need to go back to appearance. Abi? Under appearance, I come down to where? Menu. Click on menu. What I'm trying to do right now is to go to where? the main menu, which is this one. I want to make the blocks among these very particular menus that are here. So I go there and I select what? All, and I see your blog. So that's all. I need to scroll and add the block section here at the menu. Add block to menu. It's now here. I can choose to bring it here. I can choose to bring it here. I can choose to put it anywhere I want. I click what? Save. Now, when you go back again and do what? Refresh. You're going to see what? Blog. The same thing if we want to do shop. We'll go again, create shop, bring it, put it here. Perfect. Now, if I click on it, the blog, I will see the first post that we posted, which is what? Just testing. It's there. I want it to look beautiful. All I need to do is to go back and go to what? Posts. And when I do what? Edit the post because it was looking ugly. Because why? I did not put what? These very particular sections called what? Can you remember? Permalink. No, not permalink. Feature image. So I go and look for an image that will be so beautiful that I can actually post. So please open. Let me look for one image. One image, oh please, just one image. Even the computer they say, yes, it's recording. The image they say, bros, close. Bros, close. Hamba. Close. Wait, you're hearing my voice from there? No, everything that I'm talking is being recorded here from this platform. See, recorder is recording. So everything I'm talking and everything I'm doing on my computer is all that is happening. So once I am now done, I stop it, then it will now do that. Okay, so we say, okay, fine, let's put this nice image. I think I like this one. So we put it there and do what? Update. So if you go to the blog right now and do what? Refresh. See it? It's looking lovely now. See it? So you put another one again, the same thing, another one again, the same thing, and that's how it will actually work. So it's very fine. So all you need to do, anytime you're posting anything on the blog section, the post will be going. Okay? So it's very easy for us to get that done. So what I will do is, instead of keeping you guys here, I will stay here alone and actually do, because I'm recording it, I will now create a shop. Okay? And now add the shop. So when you're watching the video, you will now see how I did the shop, how I do that. So what I'm saying in essence is, bye-bye, I'm looking at the glass. Oh, if you want to ask question, okay. So I have closed for today. By what time are we agreeing to come tomorrow, apart from that pastor waiting for back? I'm not talking to you. Hey, see, come on, let me come back. Shift like this. Come on, still like that. No, go. What time are we coming tomorrow? See, now, see what will happen. Me will be here by 9. I will be here by 9. Anybody that comes by 9 and wants me to help him do anything, I will face you till when we knock 11. Because this pastor now, when they talk about now, now you forget they do your hand like this. They do. I accept. Why? Why are you coming to the? I've not done refresher class before now. Have you done refresher course before? Once. And now I talk say, even God go know say you won't learn. Leave only one day. Come, what time are we agreeing? Should we agree 10 o'clock? That is true. So can we come early and finish on time and go? So can we do by 10? By 10. Oh, no, we're going to keep recording. So if you don't come, we'll give you recording. What time will you go home and rest? So let's do 10. Yes, you will call late today. Okay, so let's do 10. So tomorrow we'll come by 10. So I'll be here by 9. If you know you are free from 9, please come. It will be only me and you. I will fit attend to you. If anything where you want more to do them before other people start, they come. But when the night 10, we'll be prepared to start. So anybody will come by 10:30, 11, by 12, at least now recording we will give the person. Yes. All right. Yes, go ahead with your question. Yes. Yoast SEO. Yoast SEO is a plugin that does the SEO job now. It's a no SEO. SEO is the name called search engine optimization. Yoast is the plugin that does the Yoast SEO job. Yes. I can decide to even do it now so that I can be on the video. Okay, so I will go for Yoast first. So I will be installing Yoast on the stuff. So I'll click on plugin, add new plugin. Then I will search for SEO. Then you'll find out that there's a lot of SEO. So the one I will be using is called Yoast SEO. So I'll install it also. So when I install it, then I'll do what? Activate it. The funny thing is, no, there are a bunch of them, but the one that is the best is Yoast SEO. And I think I even have Yoast SEO video. Are you sure I don't have video already for Yoast? Wait, might check. YouTube. Instead of even doing, I think I have it already. Okay, so I have let me see, let's do this. Go to my channel. Let me see if I've done Yoast SEO before. Go ahead and ask your question. Yes, now I do telecom business. We'll talk about them. I'll tell you what is the process you go for. So Yoast SEO. Okay, yes, I have how to set up your Yoast SEO plugin. So I already have it, so I don't need to do it there. So I'll send the video to you step by step. So what I will, because this video will be so long, so I already have a video for how to set up Yoast SEO. So I'll send it in the group as well. So which means we're going to be focusing on how to add a shop on the platform. So now I go back to shop. So right now, what I'm doing is to add a shop. So I go to plugin, add new plugin. Yeah, yes. So now I'm doing. So what we'll do is to add a shop. For you to be able to add shop, you need to do what? Add WooCommerce. WooCommerce. So the WooCommerce is a plugin actually that allow you to actually have your e-commerce website on your website. Okay, because what we're doing right now is to actually have a plugin that does the shop. Because what we want to do is to make sure that we also have, just like we actually have a blog right now attached to what we're doing, is for us to be able to do what? See, we have our blog. I want us to also have a shop that is going to be by the also side. So we can actually sell whatever thing we want to sell. So what we'll do is to install a plugin called WooCommerce. So install the WooCommerce plugin. Once you do that, then you will be also waiting to do what? Activate it. All right, so we also do what? Activate the plugin. Once you do that, automatically it will take you away from these sales sections and take you to the WooCommerce platform, where it will start asking you to actually fill all the details that you need to fill. Details like informations that you need to also put for your shop that you need to do. Okay, so yes, see you guys tomorrow by what? 10 o'clock. Anybody that comes by 9, why not? We can actually see. So right now we actually have the section. So what you're doing is to put up the address. I can just say Abuja, second address FCT, even though I want to say my country is Nigeria for live. You can see it's Nigeria, Abuja, city FCT. Then I have already my email that is here, but it's optional. Why is optional? This part here, if in case you want to put your email, why not? If you don't want to put your email, you leave it. But I think, let me go for the optional, the email that is there. Now, this very particular place now they are saying you should check. It's saying get tips, products, updates, and inspiration straight to your inbox. Yeah. So if you want to do that, if you click on it, it's just you clicking on it. But I don't think maybe it's something that you want to do. If you feel like want to be getting information from them, why not? You can do that. If you don't want to, click what? Continue. All right, so now it's asking you build a better WooCommerce, blah, 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 blah. Just say no thanks. All they're asking is they want to actually start getting access to track all the activities that is going on your website so that they can actually improve on their, products, but I say no thanks. Okay. All right, so that takes you away from these sections and take you to the place where it will ask you to choose whatever services you want to do. Of course, on your platform, you want to do this. Okay, so this is mine, right? This one is mine. Okay, in the car? Is it my car you want to take it to? Okay, no, okay. Is that the place we're going to be using tomorrow? The down class. Let me give. I think there's other white one. Okay, see it here. So we're going. Is it the down class? I thought church they do. Okay, here did they use? Okay, so no, did they use downstairs? What time did they come? Oh boy, 7 to 11. Okay, at least that your level now. We will not start. It's okay. Okay, so no problem. So that's where you're taking all the things to. So if they're coming, all of them will be coming to downstairs. So you'll be direct them to downstairs. Okay, no problem. Okay, so right now what we're doing is to check to see if you want to actually use fashion, appeal, and accessories, health and beauty, electronics. Basically, what it's asking you to do is to actually do what? Know if at all you want to go into this business. Now it's up to you. Whatever thing you want to put in, you want to put in there. You want to just focus on education, you want to do anything, or you want to click others, anyone you want to do, it's totally up to you to do that. Okay? So you can select. And if you think maybe part of what is here is not part of what you are doing, you can click others and actually go that. So I will just select what? I will just say electronics, sorry, education and learning. Then I'll click what? Continue. Now, once you click continue, of these sections here, they are saying, is it going to be physical products that you're having, or is it going to be downloadable products, whatever thing they are asking you to do. But I feel anything that I want to do is going to be physical. So I click what? Continue. So here they're asking you, how many products do you plan to display? Is it going to be something that you want to do from 1 to 10 or so? It's up to you. Whatever number you want to put, you can just put it there. If you like, you don't put anything. Are you currently selling anywhere? No, I'm not currently selling. All they're doing is you click on the section, you see all the whole options, but I say no. This same one is click on it and see options. I say I don't have. Are you currently are you setting up a store for a client? It's up to you to say yes or no. Okay, so you can actually please continue. Okay, so what you're doing, this is saying add recommended business features to your site. I don't need it. Just click continue. So they're also asking, do you think you want to actually use any other particular free theme or anything, or you want to maintain the one you're using? You know, currently what we're using is Astra. So I click on what? Astra. So I say continue with my active theme. Okay. I'm sure this place will not disturb you because I'm actually recording. I just want to finish the recording. Okay. So now I have this set up. Everything is set up right now. It's for me to now start populating products on it. That's all I needed to do. If you go right now, we already have a shop. Automatically, we have a shop. So if you now do what? Go to your menu. So I go to appearance. I go to menu. Now, once I do so, you see, we already have what? My account, checkout, cart, shop, and blah, blah, blah. So I click on the shop and I click on add to menu. So I already have a shop at the menu. So I can drag the shop and maybe bring it to under services. I will do what? Save. Now, once I go right now to my home and I refresh, you see that we already have a shop now. So you have a shop. Now, but if you click on the shop, let's see if we have a product. You see, shop, no product we have found on this section. So what does it say? All you need to do is to go back to your dashboard and go to WooCommerce and go to where? Products. So you see now under WooCommerce we have products. So we click what? Add new product. So let's do a demo product as we round up. We'll say, okay, maybe what product we have? We'll say we have a laptop. Okay? Laptop. We say, we can just say HP laptop. We can do HP laptop. Okay? HP laptop. HP laptop. That's what to do. Okay? So HP laptop, we can talk about the laptop is very good, it's very nice. If you want to buy it, so those ones are just the information that are there. All these sections is expecting you to actually put long information. Like for example, now if we go to let's say Jumia or Konga, or let's say Jumia or Konga. So let's say Konga. Is it Konga or what? Konga. So let's say we go to Konga. I want to just get a computer. So let me say computer, laptop. Okay. So let me search for laptop. All right. So I have a laptop. This. It's HP laptop. Let me go for the other one here. I think this is Lenovo. So let's pretend this is HP. So I collect all the whole information here and say this is it. I go to this section and I come down here on the short description. Okay, so the short description, I come here and I put those information here and I say HP laptop that is very good. All right, so what next will I do? I'll come again, I'll say, okay, I'll snap the picture. So let me get this one, save this image. So save this image. The price is 135,000. So any other write-ups that are here, I can just copy just these ones that are here. All right, so I'm done with you. So I'll go back to the products and actually do what? Add the products maybe here like this. Then come back to these sections here and also add it here as well. So all I need to do, category, I will say accessories. Or should I say computer? Let's say accessories. Or should I say computer? Or should I say electronics? All of them, I think electronics, I think it's electronics. So that's what I want to call it. So I click add. All right, so now the price section, say price. Let's say it should be 200 regularly, 200,000. But now the sales price is 130,000, 123. So once that is done, on this inventory, I can now say the first one item I have is 001. That's what I have, and it's in stock. So I go up here on this section. I say, okay, I need to put up the image. So the products, I get the image. So let's get that laptop that I just got. This is the laptop, looking nice. Okay, so I actually do what? Put that. Then if you have other images of the laptop, different, style of the laptop, you can actually add it. So it will look nice, different type. So once you get that done, you don't have any problem again. All you need to do is to click what? Publish. And once you click publish, your first product has been published and you can have as many of them. If you go now to the shop now and refresh now, you find out that you have one product. So you see, you have one product and the product is a sales product. You see, HP laptop, the amount of they are selling before is 200,000, now it's 130. If you open it to see everything, you can actually see it. Look at the laptop. This is very good. And you can actually look all the item, all the information, and all the other information that you want is actually there. So all you need to do is to add to cart. You add to cart, it takes you through all the processes, view carts, then you can actually take it off from there, and you can actually, if you have coupon, you put a coupon. If you don't have, you can actually just go in there and proceed to checkout, which you can actually do. That's all. And the process, everything. You now do what? Create accounts. When you create accounts, you do all that. You can make your money. You can, place order, and all that goes on. So these are how simple you can actually create a shop, and your shop is right here on your menu. So you have a shop, you have a blog, and your company or your product or your business website, everything you're doing is just showcased seriously here. So you don't have any problem, and it's very simple. So please go ahead. Your assignment is to make sure that you create your own website, and you also do just like I did. Make sure you put your website, add a shop, add what? A blog, and go ahead and edit the shop, and everything will be going on. So thank you.